Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, Johnny Boy, one more. Big up, big up. You don't want some people get Sydney. Big up, Johnny. Lion. Big up, big up, big up. Bless it. Take it down, take it down. Hold on there. When you know, say everybody have to have a little daddy night business. Big up my daddy night house, you understand me? Yeah, my fish and young. Want me to be here? Oh, the big man married now, you know, so anybody will try running, it can't work. So you say, all who try running, it can't work. Mr. Bailey, congratulations. You understand me? Everybody on a private thing, because we see it on Facebook. Suck out tongue. Why? Big up yourself. June, you didn't have the wedding? You didn't have the wedding? You was at the wedding? Hey, let me tell you something. You see when you have wedding, you must have good singer wedding. But anyway, my brother married and big up yourself. Papa, Admiral Bailey, yeah, Glendon Bailey. One of them need to marry now. Yeah. Yeah, now you understand me? And the ladies they were sleeping at night and said, Deacon Bailey, you look good, you know, you're one of the best man, they look so good, boy, I tell you, congratulations, thank you now. Because the Muslim man, close fit man, some of them man a big belly, mash up the clothes looking. But anyway, when you have a wedding, you need an artist that is very capable of dealing with the situation. So the man decides he want to edit the thing first. So we're not running around now. Ladies and gentlemen, this singer is one of the baddest singers in the island. And you have another baddest singer in the island. So two great singers under one roof tonight. The younger of the rest. This is no ordinary singer. Him say man somewhere for go. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to put your hands together and welcome to center stage. A young artist in his own rights. This is one of the artists that make me know say, yeah, Baker Bailey, come we are going to fire and bag of things. Ladies and gentlemen, all the ladies, I want to hear you scream. This is no ghost hour. This is no fairy tale. This is no nightmare. Welcome to center stage. The singing, Duppy, Mr. Carlton, Hilton is not a naming, but we Jamaican, over decades, known as the singing Duppy. Let the young ladies scream. All folks, welcome to center stage. Outside of Kingston, Jamaica. Go!
Ladies. Mr. Manager, put some volume on his mic, put some reverb, put some echo, so my ladies can hear me. Wow. Mr. Music, play. Ghost Way.
Yeah.
sky. I saw an angel, I met her sure. She smiled at me under something. She was with another man. I won't lose it, won't sleep on it, 'cause I got it up on my head. You're beautiful, and you're beautiful, lady, you're beautiful. Don't pay on mind. I think I take a chance to race with them, so you know? And they're bad bands. You hear them up here? Sure. You ready to give them back? This one. And I never, ever, I want them to remember the one here. You think I need this side, baby? As I said before, those little babies, they take you. And I never, ever, and never gonna let you. This time, give me this time. You think I leave your side, baby? You want me better than that. Think I'll be done when you're down and you're pretty wise. I'll take you when you fight to me walk. And if only you can see it sooner. My baby, for no lady, when you call, I'll be there, hold you soon. When your arms are beating and you can't get in, I will show you you're so much more. When you're lost and you're alone, you can't get back again. Better than that, they never get the rest of the box. So whatever mistake I'm here, rock thinking on it. Yes. So Mr. Music. Yeah! Break it down. And then my baby sing. Take it down some more. Thank you so much. I know because it's the first time here, and the way this lady's going on. When I look at you right now, you know what you're doing to me, Mr. Music. If our love was a fairy tale, I would be the name that compares to you. Are we happy to be the same? So when I don't think we see eye, and if you have baby, make it look like you'd be so beautiful if that's you don't even know that was special. Can't believe it now. Can I hear my babies? You need me. You're everything good in my life. Leave me back. I still can't believe it's your mind. You just walk out and wanna ride. So beautiful and leaving me. And then very first speech, now let's jump to the deal. And if we had babies, they would have your eyes. I would fall deeper watching you get blind. You don't even know how very special you are. Oh, my baby, leave me back. With everything I am, my life. Leave me back. Still can't believe it's over. You just walk down the water. Slowly, let me get a bridge. You must have been in forever to earth to change man. Things that have been stronger than I. Take it down. I want to play, but we'll take it down slow. Ladies, you know that we are man. And sometimes, you know, because we are man that one, we don't want to apologize. But me, listen to me. Me never apologize. Me apologize, me apologize, me apologize. Oh, listen to me. It's when we go at night. At night time, I'm going to see the dust. Me alone, I'm going to do it. You know me, you know me, I'm going to do it. So look what I said. Same thing, but it feels just a little bit bigger now.
I love to do it with the females. So you see, any lovers here tonight, don't take these photos and pictures. Which is right after you leave here. you should take your female, and female, you should take your man. And you go someplace that is only four walls looking at you. Oh no. And you look in his eye, you look in her eyes. And you make passionate love and you tell her this. These walls keep a secret. It's only we know. And oh no, can't they keep it? 'Cause we do lose control. We do shadow. She's warfare. We can't do it. Oh no, we can do it. Oh no. Something like this. These walls keep a secret. Only we know. And oh no, and they keep it. 'Cause we do lose God. We do shadow. Chasing the rainbow. Behind those windows, behind, can I get my name? And then we walk you. Ooh, never see I want you more. They would, yeah, never feel it. And then you will always the one part. No, break it down. Some people making memories so good today. If these are never when we're alive, buried, we do shadow behind those windows. Can I get my water? Ooh, they would say about you more. They would, yeah, yeah. And then you will always go one part, and you go always still up. They would, I'm connected. Every movement, I love it. Whoa. You feel like changing? You feel like changing back? Don't do people. I don't want to change my life a little bit. I told me I'm an artist, man. I'm going for something, man. Pinch on me, I don't want to. Yeah, so, yeah, what you do? Can we get a tempo up a little bit for me, please? Mr. Music, so we can make the people have more joy. You ready, Mr. Music? Ready now? Ladies and gentlemen, watch it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big up Jungle Piper. Big up the boss right here. Thank you for your welcome, Mr. Frank. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, you want a few more ghosts? Thank you so much. Come on, come on, these things. No, come on. Yes. Tell me. Where are they?
between us. Papaya and love and love. In the danger in the darkness, hey, I can't find no peace. I wish I were. Pull up. Watch it. Again. This is in between us. Oh, my dear. And you're under I can't find no music. I wish you were holding and everything to make it all right. Guess what, my baby? It's rain on my window, and I can't go to drive. But I'm gonna get in the marvelous, hey, I can't buy. No. I wish I were holding. Whoa. Wanna wish me there? You know, any female that wish me you were there, like how me there, you know what I take on up? East side and north side. You know it's not what I take on up? Until I guess, but we reach slow, where we gonna go, nobody gonna know, so the couple ladies, the next. Next, to the time. Remember that song here? I want that to remember that one. That one ain't gonna like this. Radio sky could never be a girl's night. What will you let never get to right? The first night could never. Ladies will get to all and watch how them on front line. You want to them. Remember that one, I like it. I want them to remember that one. You sure? Do you remember when you were young? Do you? How it all began, it just remember that one. I want them to remember that one, even though it's in my feeling. And I go like this. Sometimes I wonder, I didn't make it true. To the world that I can do, and just what I do. And sometimes it's easy that the world closing it over, and then the way of breaking free, and then sometimes I wonder, and then I think I'm fire, every You think I'd decide, baby? You want me, but you don't love me. Think I'd get down when you're down on your knees. Go through that. I'll tell you when you're watching you walk, and if only you could sing it to my baby, my baby.
I did not get to rehearse in the box. You know listen again? Me never get to rehearse in the box. So whatever mistake I'm here, rock it on it. Yes. So Mr. Music.
Everywhere we go, no cater where we do, but you know we can't stand up right in front of the officer and go, so officer, you alright? I'm right now, yeah, I say, officer, you know must be sometime, you know why? Smoke good in the brain, brain, brain. That's a burning by the tree. Natural vibes like pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. And then they're gonna move. I'm gonna serve that lady this way. So here we're gonna do. Let me sing song for the ladies right here. Yeah, I didn't get the words, so give me the key. So what I'm gonna say tonight. Bring it down a little bit lower. Bring it down in the lower key. Thank you so much. And to the lovers here tonight, I didn't get a verse, but I know my stuff. The band's man, I know the stuff. I want to perform for your people. And this one's big. Break it down with some music. Every night in my dreams, I see a peace that is out and low. Across the distance and spaces between us, you come to show me. Sad. I don't know. And you hear in my heart. Was when I want you I want you in my life with love. Go to the bridge. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Music. Play Ghost Way. Play Ghost Way. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Ready for them to go. No delay. Let's start up. Start up. One. Yeah. Ready. No itch. No itch. No itch. 1, 2, 3. Shot. Just for talking to you, boy, it's so sad. It takes time, ladies, look out to us. And get out of no matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me, and I can't let you. There's no talking to you, boy. It's so sad. Takes time to believe it, but after all said and done, then you're gonna be, oh baby, leave me life of love. I can be so bad. do. See the world, but I can't. Come on. No turn, there's no turning back. I need time to move on. I need love. But I'm about to make it true. And maybe get it up for you. I could be so bad. I really know. Oh yeah, I could be so bad. And now that I get you there, I know that I am yours. I don't need her, don't need her. I don't need her, need her, need her. Do you believe that? Have you feeling something? Do you believe? Do you believe? Do you believe? Next track. I don't like to sing piece of the song, you know. I like to sing it out. Thank you so much. And this one, because I said it a while ago. I listen to the sound of the rain pouring down my rain for a chance to bring my pain. Trying to be strong, but I'm not getting ready. Whoa, staring apart is autumn. I lie awake, 'cause I can't take. It's been too long, I can't hold it down. I need it on. Yeah, pull up. Time is going on me. Time is going on me. Just the next track, the artist and dance there. Time is going on me. You can't do one like a ghost in concert. Ladies and gentlemen, please forgive me. And I'm not again. That's whatever you say, you gotta get something. What? Take it out. I know just souls. I know just where to find souls. I know just how to face. I know just, take it out. I know just when to face the truth. I know just what to do, and I know just what to do, and I know just what to do. I know what to pull you closer, and I know the night is fading, I know the time is over, and I never gonna tell you what to think. Just where to find the answers. Slow. I know just how to fake it. I know just how to scheme. I know just when to face the truth. I know just, ladies, I know just where, and I know just what. I know what to put you close. Take it out. Every time I see you, pick up your hand up, you through the wind in your hair. And every star in the sky, sinking into your eye like the beating from my heart is the show. Lost, looking for a river like you. He can take the darkness from the beat of the night, thinking that it's endless supply. Everything I know, not until I give it to you. Let me have that on. Let me have it right now. Mr. Music, right away. One. I know, ladies and gentlemen, I love you so much. But I love to give manners and respect and due when it comes. I ain't just getting a letter from my baby. She won't let go. I ain't got to let you know. No. The letter just the other day. Telling me your much. Wonder what can make you stay. I love you, baby. I never bought you crazy clothes, never brought you chocolate or rose. Wonder if you think like that. I know the perfect day. I don't need a man, but you didn't play yourself. No, you didn't play yourself. No, not to guys out there. I'm gonna tell you I'll never wish, but I love you. Oh no, love you. Yeah, I wish you. Love you. Hey, do me like you. Hey, do me like you. I gotta leave. If you want more, you gotta wait till the picture's finished. Thank you so much. Oh, you're welcome. You know I'm doing things again. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Princess goes in concert. Stuart Grover. Hey, round of applause. Cause in the finish, you know, in the done.